Hello and welcome to Installer Show. We're here with Adrian from Fluke. Welcome, Adrian.
Hi.
And today we are going to be talking about Fluke's TiS75 Thermal Camera. So, you have one here.
Yep.
Tell us about it. Tell us about its key features.
Yeah. So the TiS75 Plus is it's a mid-range camera with 354 pixels across the bottom and 288 of the side of the unit. Yeah. So when you multiply that together, it gives you about 78,000 individual temperature measurements. It's got a very good sensitivity at about 40 millikelvins or 0.04 degrees, which makes it ideal for looking for things like water leaks. It can also be used for industrial, for checking of motors and drives and such, for overheating, also steam traps in industrial environments. It's rugged tested. It also has a removable battery that can be replaced in the field, and also the software is included with the unit as well. So there's two options for software. There's the Fluke Connect app, which is either Android or iOS, or it can go onto a Windows PC. Yeah.
So you've mentioned a lot of applications there.
Yeah.
Both industrial and commercial. Could you expand a bit on that? Like, so who would use this and how would it benefit?
Yeah, so this could be used by anybody from a HVAC technician or water leak engineers because of the sensitivity. It can also be used for ingress protection or ingress detection by building engineers. From an industrial application, site maintenance leaders or site engineers, electrical engineers. Also, it also opens up to the DNO section because of the sensitivity with the unit, and also because of its focusing abilities.
And how exactly would it benefit all those people? Is it a question of streamlining, speed?
Yeah, so streamlining, speed. Again, the menu structure inside of the unit is very intuitive. It's got a memory inside the camera, but it's also got an external memory that's an SD card or micro SD card that can be upgraded in the field should they need a bigger memory on the unit. When it comes to Smart View or Fluke Connect, again, you've got the ease of sending the images directly from the camera to either an Android or iOS device, and you can annotate and also modify or edit the pictures in the field using a smartphone or a tablet.
Yes, we've talked a lot. It's got a lot of features, a lot of really good features, so useful for many people. Is there a feature you perhaps wouldn't expect to be on this camera, but that people really rely on or really use?
It's probably something that I've touched on previously, and it's the sensitivity of the camera.
Okay. So
when we talk about sensitivity on a thermal camera, it's the camera's ability to, for 2 pixels or any 2 pixels, to detect the temperature difference between those 2 pixels. And because it's got such a good sensitivity on it, it gives you a really good picture palette, and can give you a really clean, concise image to help you fault find. So for looking for overheating bearings, overheating motor housings, electrical cables that could be potentially overheating. Again, when we go to the domestic or the building environment, it brings in then looking for dampness and water ingress into buildings.
Yes, so it can really help you pinpoint problems.
Exactly, yeah.
So as a final question then, what is the main message you want people to take away from our talk?
To speed up your inspections and also your picture editing time is to utilise this unit along with Fluke Connect, either in the field or in your office environment, because it will speed it up for you.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And remember, you can buy the Fluke TiS75 Plus on our website, tester.co.uk.